How to create transparent text in Capcut PC. So I will show you exactly that in this video. So let's get started. First thing first, what you need to do is to go to the stock materials right over here on the left side. Just tap on it, and from here you need to search for black background. Just search for the black background over here, and then as you can see we got photos or videos like the black background. So I will drag the photo. In my case you can also add the video, so let's just move it like 10 seconds long, and then you need to go to the text right over here on the upper side. Then from here add the default text into the timeline, then make it like bigger. All right, adjust it like your needings, then add the text you want. So for my case I will write down my channel name. All right, then let's make it bold text, and then let's just choose a bold text over here and make it scale it up to adjust it as per the screen. All right, as you can see we got this. So after that what you need to do is simply make sure to select both of the clicks like this, then right click on it and create compound clip. All right, after that you need to make sure to drag it up to the layer 2, and then go and add another clip that you want to make it like overlay. So I will go and add another clip. So let's just drag and drop the another clip into the timeline. All right, then what you can simply do, very simple, what you can simply do is to adjust it. All right, then select the text effect layer clip like this, then go to the video option right over here, scroll it down until you find the blend option right over here. Then from the mode you need to select the multiply. All right, as you can see we got a very cool looking video right now. Also you can select for a bridge, color burn, and many more. So soft light would be another cool effect. So hard light and many more can be seen right now. It works perfect with the darken mode. So you can simply select the darken and you will be done. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.